Hey guys, it's your girl Fizzy versus Faith, and I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be kind of different. Your girl is about to do a wig install. I think I did one before on YouTube one time, I don't remember, but I'm about to do one with a wig from UNice, and it's glueless. So I'm hoping it's gonna be quick because I'm actually rushing to go somewhere. I'm excited. I just took off my wig that I had on prior, so I already have my hair braided down, so I should be good. Okay, so I have this cute pink box. Given is given. I mean, it's October, breast cancer awareness month. I don't know, I'm just liking the pink, but I think UNice color is pink anyways. Let's open it. Let's see what we got inside. And I'm doing my hair inside the bathroom because I told y'all when I get my room together, y'all gonna be seeing videos inside my room. Right now we're gonna be doing the bathroom, but I have all my stuff set out to do my hair. So all right, so I got a little card from UNice. I don't think it's probably just okay. So got two cards inside showing when UNice has been created since 2016 and stuff. Then New York, Los Angeles, and Paris. You go visit them there. And then, so I think the one that I have, it's on the back actually. It's called a UNice weargowig. It's a quick installation time, 3D silicone bands, and it's 360 airflow and stay cool. So I think that's the one that I'll be putting on. Then I got me this. It looks like a mirror. Okay, mirror on the go. Put it in your bag, you good. Oh, and then we have like a little goodies bag. And so we got our band. We got a little press-on pack. Okay, UNice with the pink press-on. And then they gave me a HD wig cap. I feel like wig caps is always needed. Let's get to the start of the show. I got the wig here. It's a 24-inch body wave. Okay, so I got the wig out, guys. This is how it looks. It feels very soft. It's I can tell you exactly what's the name of the wig, and I'll also make sure to link it in the description box. This is UNice weargo 6x4.5 pre-cut and pre-bleach knots glueless lace wig. Look at it. It's already pre-cut, HD, also been pre-plucked. So knowing me, like I said, I'm not no hairstylist, so the fact that this wig already came already plucked, that's about to help me out OD, because all I'm gonna really have to do is worry about putting it on my head. And because it includes an elastic band, and I'll be able to basically tighten it and make it as loose as I want or as tight as I want, it should be easy to put on and install. So now I'm about to get started. All I gotta do is put on my wig cap. Okay guys, so I'm back today. I made like a prior video, but I didn't really like the way I styled it. Like this part. I mean, it's not really needed, but I sprayed it down. I didn't have to, but I did. Guys, in a video, I'm going to be doing either voiceovers. I'm just going to speed up the clips and put some music over it, just because you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And if it is anything confusing, I'm most likely going to be speaking over it. But in this clip, I was just cutting the lace. Honestly, I didn't really have to, but I was. But now I'm about to speed up the clip. And yeah. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Guys, I don't know why I really did that to the cap, because it ended up moving back anyways. But I'm gonna just brush back my edges. Back. That looks retarded. Then this is my wig that I already showed you guys prior. I had to like cut the lace a little bit so that I could go on my head a certain way. And then of course this is the wig band. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter.
Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
This is how it looks. I'm gonna straighten it. And I might do some baby hair, so let's see how this turns out, y'all. In these clips, I was more so prepping my baby hairs. I didn't like mold it down yet, but I was definitely trying to separate it from the rest of my hair. So yeah, just keep watching.
Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pilling out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby yelling, yelling out.
Okay, I think that's about to be the front sections.
It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie.
Just to keep it on the loop, right here, I was just sectioning off my hair because I was about to just start the straightening process. So, yeah.
I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to blend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Fuck they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stain now. Like I'm ready to blend.
It's funny sound. So what are you doing now? I don't know, Rod Wave is that man. But anyways, guys, my camera, I wish I had two batteries, but I don't. Unfortunately, I need to get a second one. But guys, I have finished this side. I don't know if you guys saw. I finished straightening this side. Well, you guys can't really see that. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is like the bottom, yeah. And now I'm working on this side, but I wanted to get some content for y'all because it's like, yo, do y'all see how my camera is messed up? It's supposed to be like this, but look how it be slanted. All right, that's not the point. But I do need to fix my camera, y'all. Oh, Jesus. I just work with me because I just got a lot going on at this point. I just need everything new. Straightening this side, I already started, so I'm gonna just continue. And I'm gonna listen to my music, but yeah.
Wanna pretend like let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him break. You ain't over it, me and Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to blend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty.
So guys, this is me with my hair now is fully straightened. This is the back, straightened. I can show y'all the ends. Let me try to show y'all real quick. This is the, oh, it made sense if I probably did this, right? Show y'all this way. Yeah. So now I'm about to try to attempt to do my baby hairs. I'm gonna just hold back the front two with 2 clips. I have these gray clips, these silver clips. Hold it back like that. Hold this side back. Cause yeah, I just don't want it to get in the way of these.
One of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
So now I'm about to cut it. I just put like the hot comb through it. Let's be real, my baby hairs is not gonna be this long. I gotta cut it again. And my camera's dying, y'all, so I'm so sorry. Alright, I'm gonna try to finish my baby hairs real quick, then I'll get back to y'all. Cause I'm so mad with this camera. Okay guys, so I'm done. Like, are y'all feeling it? I'm feeling it, as y'all should, UNice. I'm not even gonna lie, this is probably one of the easiest wigs for me to ever install. And being that I don't really install in wigs, I'm not a hairstylist, like, this was really quick and easy. I liked it a lot. I'll put the type of wig this is in the description box. I just want to show y'all, it's literally not glued down. It had the adjustment band, so it's like really snug right now. So like I could be like this. Like yeah, it's dead. It's stuck on. It's stuck on. I'm not even gonna lie. But let me fix my hair real quick, cause like no, not after I just nicely straightened it. This is the comb. Literally under slow-mo. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this wig as much as I do. I'm about to go out. Oh my gosh, it's always me. Don't you hate when you miss the spot because you can't see the back of your head? But whatever. I love it. I'm going out with my best friend today. Probably my best friend and a couple friends. I don't even know. Probably just her. But it's going to be so cute. Gonna take some pictures. I didn't have to do nothing crazy. No glue, no nothing. The only thing I did was straighten this hair and literally did my baby hairs. This was very, very quick. Go get yourself a UNicehair wig. See y'all in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.